Hi Drawso Kitties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the whale emoji, so let's get started. To draw this cute whale, let's first start by drawing a circle for the eye. So I'm going to come right here and just draw a big circle. And since I have enough room, I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes. So 2 small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom. But if your eyes are too small, just go ahead and just put 1 circle for a highlight. And lines at the bottom. And now that we have that in, I'm going to come right here and just draw a soft curve over the eye. Then from there, I'm going to come right underneath this eye and I'm going to draw a curve. So let's start about right here, and I'm going to draw a curve that kind of goes downwards. From there, I'm going to imagine this coming through and say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point. And I'm going to go this way because it's easier for my hands to draw a curve to connect back. So we just want to give it a slight curve upwards so that our whale looks like it's smiling. Then from there, I'm going to come right here and just draw a small little curve down. Then let's come back to this area right here and we're going to round it off. And I'm going to bring this curve right back in. So this is kind of like the throat area of our whale. Then from there, we're going to start in this area right here and we're going to go up nice and high. So we're going to start to draw the big curve at the top. I'm going to angle out a little bit and I'm going to start to go up. So just take a look, see how big you want to go, how high. So right there, I'm going to go ahead and round it off about in this area and start to come down there. So we're about the same level now. You just take a look and now we can start to bring this down. And now let's work on this side. So I'm going to work on the flipper. So let's come right here next to this little curve. And I'm going to create another curve for the flipper. So this comes in right here. And in this area, I'm just going to curve in, out. And now I'm just going to go ahead and round off this tip area and connect. So it's just this weird shape right here. It's just a little curve. Come out and then connect it back in. And then whatever space you have left, just finish that curve. And then let's come back here now. And in this area, I'll start kind of like the eye. I'll start to go up for the tail. And let's imagine this coming through. So about right here, we're going to start to draw the tail area. So it's going to get thinner as we go up. And let's keep going. I'm going to bring this to a curve. And about right here, round off and connect back. There. So now we have this nice big tail coming up. And then let's come to the center right here. And I'm going to go out to draw the tail and back in. So same thing on the other side. Out, round off the tip. And bring it right back in. And then let's continue this throat belly area. So just imagine this coming through. And I'm just going to lightly draw a curve that eventually just tapers off into the tail. There. So hopefully that wasn't too difficult. I was able to help you draw that. The hardest part I think is just getting this big shape in. So then from there, let's come back up here and we're going to draw the blowhole. So kind of like in the center of this curve, about right here, I'm just going to draw a big curve. From there, I'm going to start to draw the water spout. So I'll make it say about here and here. And I'll come out about right here, since it's easier for my hands to come downwards. And then this part, I'm going to go up. A nice big water spout. And I'll round off this curve another curve. Then we're going to bring it into the center, dip it, and then come right back out and connect. And let's see here, this one right here, you can just kind of go ahead and connect to give it some detail, and then we can draw some of the drops of water here, just lightly. One, some here, and here, and one more. There. And last but not least, I'll add, where should we add the heart? I'll add the heart right here. So they're all done. I really hope you love how this whale emoji turned out, and that I made it fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.